Good morning, kindergartners. I moved myself inside today for the chapter because it's kind of windy outside. So today's chapter is called Cats and Gowns, and we're going to find out when Junie B thinks she hears one thing, but it means another. And remember, if there's a picture, I'll show it to you. I skipped in the door of room 9. Then my whole face got happy, because guess who was talking to my teacher? It was Gus Baloney, that's who. And Gus Baloney is my favorite janitor. I zoomed right over to that guy. Gus Baloney, it is a joy to see you, I said. And so what brings you here anyway? Gus Baloney patted my head. I'd an important delivery to make, sis, he said. Just then my bestest friend Lucille came running up to me. She pointed to a big stack of boxes. It's cats and gowns, Junie B. Gus Baloney brought us cats and gowns. She twirled me all around. I heard him talking to the teacher. The cats and gowns are right there in those boxes. Everyone is getting one for graduation, she said. I jumped up and down at that wonderful news, 'cause guess who doesn't love cats? That's what I would like to know. Cats and gowns, I hollered. Cats and gowns, hollered room 9. Mrs. sat down in her chair real slow. Then Gus Baloney patted her shoulder, and he said the word, good luck. Mrs. said for room 9 to please stop shouting. I'm sorry, boys and girls, but Lucille did not hear me correctly. No one in room 9 is getting a cat and gown for graduation. Room 9 did a loud groan. Oh. Then what are we getting exactly, I asked. Caps and gowns, said Mrs. You're all getting a cap and gown for graduation, not cat and gown. No, said Lucille. I heard you say cat, teacher. I know I did. Mrs. said for Lucille to hush. Then she passed out the boxes to all the children. I looked inside mine real curious. Then I kept looking and looking because something was not right in there. My cap got run over by a truck, I think. I said, it's a big square flatso. Mrs. laughed. Then she came to my table and she unfolded my cap and she put it right in my head. Hey, what do you know? It fits, I said. After that, all of us put on our caps and gowns and we skipped all around the room. Only not Lucille because she was still upset about the cat issue. Pretty soon the bell was going to ring, and so Mrs. made us put our outfits back in our boxes. So here's all the kids running around wearing their caps and gowns. And there's Lucille right there. You see her? She's not very happy. I'm going to let you take these home with you today, she said, but please do not play with them on the bus. And don't play with them at home either. These caps and gowns are white, okay? And white material gets soiled very easily. I know, Mrs., I said. I know white material gets soiled easy because one time my Grandpa Miller spilled beer on his new white tie, and you can still see your beer spots on that thing. Mrs. looked and looked at me. Then she sat back down on her desk very quiet, and she waited for the bell to ring. And that is the end of chapter 4. Now remember, Junie B gets to take her white cap and gown home. Do you think she's going to keep it really nice and take good care of it? Or do you think something might happen to it? Well, next time we meet, we're going to read chapter 5. And chapter 5 is called $1,000,000. So I hope you enjoyed listening to my chapter today. And we'll see you next time. Bye.